Okay, this is something that I don't see too often. This machine is out of time. I'm going to show you what I mean. You can see the needle right here. This is the hook. This is what actually grabs your thread and wraps the bobbin thread. Just as the needle starts to come back up, then the hook should come around behind it. And this opening that you can see right here, as the needle comes down, it should hit just in the edge of where that's opening as it comes down. I suspect that someone messed with this who wasn't sure on what was wrong with it or how to set the timing, because it's almost 180 degrees out, and that's very, very rare. Normally, if it was out like that on its own, something would be broke, and it's not. So you see right there where it's already coming down, it's in the bottom. Normally you'll hit in most machines, the needle will hit the hook. Okay, you see right there, I'm starting to come up, right there. My hook is right here. My needle has just started to come up. My hook should be back here. My hook should be back here on the back side of my needle right now, and it's not. Instead, it's sitting right here. So someone has messed with it. The thing about this is there's several different ways to set timing on these. So I've got to find out why it's out of time, where it's been tampered with or whatever. Because if I don't get it set back in time, if I don't get it properly set back in time, then it will be out of sync with the feed dogs. Let me see. I haven't even looked. Let's see. The needle wheel is what I was talking about. Needle looks pretty close. I think it's a little out of sync, but overall it's doing well. Yeah, the feed dogs should have already been dropping before it got to that point, but it's pretty close. It wouldn't, if it would catch a thread, it wouldn't hurt anything. But yeah, the thread's not being caught. So I'll get this in time and then make another video.